So good morning everybody, Bridget here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hari bari brinjal pickle. So I got these beautiful green brinjals, the Mysore brinjals today, and I was thinking what to make with them. And then I thought it's better to make a type of brinjal pickle. So this is my way of making a hari bari brinjal pickle. So easy to make, and I'm sure that all of you would love to make it as well. So just keep watching. I'll take you through the ingredients. This is half a kilo of long green brinjals, washed and sliced. So what you would need is basic ingredients. I've taken Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon, the little spicy chilli powder, 1 teaspoon, mustard powder that I have powdered in the mixie, the black mustard, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 whole tablespoon of cumin or jeera powder. Okay, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half a cup of vinegar, we can add more, and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now I am heating 3 tablespoons of oil in this pan. I am going to fry the brinjals slightly. So heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the cut brinjals. Now be careful while you're putting in the brinjals, because the oil is hot and it could splutter and the oil could burn your hands. So add all the cut brinjals, and to this you could add maybe like half a teaspoon or a pinch of salt, just to hasten the process of cooking the brinjals, because it would help it to soften. So keep frying well. And now while the brinjals are frying, you could make a paste of all the powders that I had showed you earlier with half of the vinegar. Mix the paste well so that there are no lumps, and you could just keep it aside. So mix it well and keep it aside. Meanwhile, you keep frying the brinjals well till they change color, and then once they are fried well, you could remove them onto a plate and just let them be for the time being. So remove all the brinjals. Okay, now to the same oil add the ginger and garlic paste. Again, be careful, the oil splatters. And to this you add the chopped garlic. Fry well so that the raw smell goes away and the ginger and garlic look well fried. So now what you do is you add in the paste, and again you fry on low heat till the oil leaves the sides of the mixture. Okay, mix and fry. Just keep frying well on low heat so that it doesn't burn. And you can see what a lovely color the masala has now. And what you could do with the remaining vinegar, just wash that plate that you made the paste in, add the sugar and salt to taste, maybe like around 1 heaped teaspoon. Fry well. It's giving out such a delightful aroma. Just keep frying. And now what you do is you add in your brinjals. The fried brinjals. Mix well. Mix them really well so that all the brinjals are coated with the masala. And you could cook on low heat, cover with the lid, and wait for around 5 to 6 minutes, by which time the brinjals would be well cooked and would have taken on the flavor of the pickle base. Now this is the way we make our brinjal pickle, and you can see that it's looking really good. So now what you could do is you could just turn off the heat and mix it a little bit so that it just doesn't get too dry or stick to the bottom of the pan. So brinjal pickle is now ready. It really smells heavenly and looks beautiful as well. So our brinjal pickle is ready. As I told you, it's a quick and easy way of making brinjal pickle. Very, very simple procedure which I make very often at home, and this would last for around a month in the fridge if you don't use a wet spoon in it, and goes well with rice, curry, chapatis, or even as a filling for a sandwich with bread. So I hope you enjoyed this video of making a quick and easy brinjal pickle with me. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to bring you like simple Anglo-Indian dishes. I can't say it's authentic because each region is different, but this is what my mom used to make at home, and quite tasty, I must say. So enjoy your brinjal pickle whenever you make it. Thanks for watching, and